Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin just arrived. There was a little bit of a shipping delay this month, although I didn't notice it. I think I've just been super busy with summertime fun, so I don't know that I even noticed that there was a shipping delay. This is the June 2023 Welcome In Paper Pumpkin Kit, and there was an optional Welcome In dies that you could purchase for $6. Doesn't come with this. This was something optional that you could purchase. So I want to show you that as well. Whenever there's extras, I like to grab them. Can't help myself. Okay, the spot this month, Night of Navy. The stamp set this month. Let's flip it over. Very pretty florally vase. Some pretty florally backgrounds. A single flower. The word friend. You're invited. Thank you for your hospitality and welcome. Really pretty. Nice to give a hostess. All right, extending your creativity. This is talking about how this coordinates with the Countryside Inn Suite, and there's a really beautiful paper in the Countryside Inn Suite. I just used it yesterday and on a video. Oh, I wonder if I still have any cards in here. I think I took them all out to where I take my videos. My room is kind of dark. Oh no, here's one. It's really pretty blue and white floral, and it looks like the floral in the stamp set matches this, and it kind of matches that vase too. So you've got a really great little paper kit that you can coordinate with those stamps if you choose. And actually, in the month of June, paper is on sale. That paper I just showed you is on sale right now, 15% off. So if you want to extend your crafting, you can grab the Welcome Countryside Inn paper. But let's get into the kit. Oh yes, see, this paper matches the Countryside Inn suite perfectly. I don't have the stamps for that suite, but I do have the paper, and it looks really great with this. All right, so let's take a look. I love these envelopes already. Can you see the envelopes? Gorgeous. All right, so this kit makes, I believe, 9 cards. And oh, they've taken that paper I just showed you, and they've done it in, that might be coral, Calypso coral, instead of blue. Really pretty. And the vase you can see right there. So you've got some navy enamel dots and some puffies, or dimensionals, I guess is the correct term, tear tape. Here are your envelopes. And I think the envelopes are all the same. They kind of coordinate with all of them. Oh, did I lie? Nope, they're all the same. Okay, there's your envelopes. Really pretty envelopes. Here are some of the cutouts. So these vases already have the images on them. Here's this one, and this little cutout. Now there is a stamp set that looks like this too, that matches with this in the annual catalog. And there's a die set, which I also did buy, that cuts out this really fun shape in multiple sizes. Super fun. So, but you don't need it for this. This is just, I'm just telling you that it coordinates in case you ever wanted to, you love this kit and you say, man, I wish I had stuff that shape. You can get stuff that shape. Okay, here are your card bases. You've got 3 like this one. Oh, there's another one. Look how pretty. I bet you put one of the vases here. Okay. And you've got 3 like this one, card base, and here's some more. Oh, here's some white vases, so probably you're going to take that stamp set and give those vases some fun ink. And then you've got 3 navy card bases, and then some additional banners. They probably put a stamp there. Let's see, where'd my instructions go? I'm going to cut out the stamp. You're going to put some stamping on here for like a welcome. And again, you can change the greetings if you want to use these for birthday. They're very pretty. And there's a lot of dimension going on here. So you've got some with the dimensional, I call them puffies. It raises them up and gives you some nice dimension. These are actually strips, and they're going to go kind of making little frames. How pretty is that? So these are really gorgeous cards. I think they're really pretty. Let me take a look at this add-on. This add-on is optional, like I said. It's not required to put these together. It's just fun to use. Once you've finished all the items in this kit, maybe you say, I really wish I could cut this vase out because I'm out of the ones that they had pre-done for me. You can use these dies. So you've got a die for the vase and the flower, and then they just threw in an extra little leaf there for you. It doesn't have a stamp. You just cut it out with some different color paper, cardstock, and you can make it any color you like. Super cute. If you missed out on this kit and you wish you got it, let me know, because I always get a couple extra, and I did get an extra one of these to go with my extra kit. So all my kits have the dies, and let me know if you wish you got it. Now, if you don't want to miss another one, subscribe. I'll have links to subscribe in the description of the video. You can find a link on how to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. They come to you every month, and you get all your instructions. You're going to end up with a collection of ink spots that you can use again and again and again, and you're going to end up with a collection of stamp sets that you can continue using. And so it's nice to kind of build up your collection, and every month they try to have different types of sentiments. So eventually down the line, you're going to have things for so many occasions, thank yous and birthdays and holidays and all of those things. And so you're going to be all set. Your stamp collection is going to be perfect. All right, so this is your June 2023 Paper Pumpkin kit. Oh, and there was a little blurb on next month. Next month has fun folds. I got a little sneak peek of that on the demonstrator website, and there was a fun fold involved with this kit, and it has like trifolds and things. I don't know if I'm supposed to share. Oh, and there's one of the cards where this little crab is a die. It's like a cutout, like a little punch out die cut, and his little claws, you put the sentiment like he's holding the claws. He's holding the sentiment in his little pinchers. Anyway, super cute. I got a little sneak peek. That's only a sneak peek. They don't give us the full, what is it? You know, we don't get to see the full thing, but we saw this little crab with his little sentiment in his claws, and it was super cute, and it's a fun fold. Really fun. Fun in the sun is probably why they named it that, and that's going to be the July kit. So if you want the July kit, you have to subscribe by the 10th of July. So subscription period for this is over. So when you're a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, you get to go and look in the store and see if there are any past kits available. Sometimes they sell out, sometimes they don't, so you have to kind of see. I have a couple of these if you really want it. And you can also sometimes find past refills. So sometimes they don't have any more of this part. There's no stamp or spot, but they have a lot of the kind of the guts that were inside that shrink wrap, and you can buy just that. And that way, if you already have the stamp and the ink spot, you can still create these cards. So that's a great thing about subscribing, is it then gets you access to the Paper Pumpkin availability, which you can see if you ever want to see, hey, what is that Paper Pumpkin availability? You can log into the StampinUp.com website and take a look at the past kits and refills section of the online store, and you can see some past kits that are available, and they're available, and sometimes they go on really inexpensive. You can see a Paper Pumpkin sale, or sometimes they're trying to clear out some from the previous Christmas when they release a new Christmas. So you might find some really good deals on some old Paper Pumpkins there. So anyway, that is a subscriber perk. Let me know if you ever have any questions about Paper Pumpkin. If you want to subscribe, there's a link in my description. And if you missed this kit and wish you didn't, and you want one, let me know, email me, and I will let you know if I still have any. I mean, I only get a couple extra. But if I have one, I'm happy to send one to you. Or if I don't, sometimes I can call around to my teammates and see if anybody else has one. So let me know if you're looking for one. Thanks for watching. Bye.